As you walk toward a sound source, the volume will A, increase, B, decrease, or C, will not change. If we look at this picture, this is a picture of a person speaking, and the blue waves are the sound that's traveling out in every single direction. The intensity of the sound waves, which is the volume, is the power per unit area. And as you walk toward this person who's speaking, as you walk towards the sound source, the waves become more compact, and this wave is spread over a small area, where this wave, I'm enclosing it, is spread over a large area. If you increase the area of that spherical waveform, you will decrease the intensity. Or as you decrease the area, you would increase the intensity. Therefore, walking toward a sound source will A, increase the volume. The correct answer is A.